Hello everyone, you're most welcome to this channel Tech for Advice. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to customize font in Google Chrome. Firstly, open Google Chrome and click this three dot. Now click on Settings. Here is the option Customize Font. Click this arrow. So you can change the font size as your requirement. Minimum font size. You can see here the font size 10, 12, and here is the standard font. Here is the serif font. And you can also fix width font. So you can customize as a requirement font size and font style, and also you need to more advanced settings, so requires extension from the Chrome Web Store. Click this one. Advanced font settings. Click on Add to Chrome. Again click on Add extension. Now you will see advanced font setting has been added to Chrome, this icon fonts, and click on here. You will see options. Click this one. So now you can select script. Now is the default Arabic and another one too. Here is the size. Standard serif and sans serif you can select. Now all are default. You can change from here. So I hope you like this video and you know how to customize fonts in Google Chrome. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.